In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your Google Sites experience with ease. We'll walk through a few simple steps to ensure that your site suits your needs perfectly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and visit the Google Sites homepage. If you're not familiar with Google Sites, it's a versatile tool provided by Google that allows you to create, share, and publish websites in a straightforward manner. It's incredibly useful for personal projects, work, or school assignments. Once you're on the home page, ensure that you're signed in to your Google account to get access to all features. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find various options, one of which is the Settings gear icon. This icon represents your main hub for customizing your site. Go ahead and click on the Settings option to open up a world of customization possibilities. In the Settings menu, you'll see several configuration options. One of the key features you'll find is the ability to change the navigation color of your site. This is important because the color scheme can significantly impact how your site is perceived. A cohesive and appealing color palette can enhance the user experience, making it memorable and inviting. Simply choose the color that best fits your theme or brand identity. Additionally, you have the choice between a top or side navigation mode. The top navigation typically works well for sites with minimal navigation links, providing a clean and organized layout. On the other hand, the side navigation is ideal if you have multiple sections or a more complex layout, allowing users to easily access all parts of your site without feeling overwhelmed. Think about the kind of experience you want your users to have and choose the navigation style accordingly. Once you've made these adjustments, the changes will automatically reflect on your site. It's as simple as that. Exploring these settings can significantly enhance the usability and aesthetic of your Google site, making it more attractive and functional for your audience. That's it, you're all set. You've successfully customized the settings of your Google site, ensuring it not only aligns with your vision, but also provides a smooth experience for your visitors. Customization is the key to creating a unique online presence, so don't hesitate to experiment with these options as you continue to develop your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember to play around with the settings to find the best fit for your site's needs. Feel free to return to this guide whenever you need a refresher. Keep exploring and happy creating with Google Sites.